Hi! In front of me is Realme C31 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Firstly, go into settings and choose connected devices. Now just power on your device and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, you need to tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Wait for the pop-up and select pair. Then wait for the other device to accept your connection request, and as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can always disconnect them by choosing this little gear icon next to the device and tapping on Forget. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!